Hello, in this video we'll look at finding the volume of a frustum, which is a paper 2 questions which usually come every year. Now in this video I'll look at the basic steps that are needed for you to apply in the exam, not shortcuts but the actual steps that you need to apply for you to gain the full 6 marks. Remember, it's 6 marks here, you can see. So the figure below is a cone. So we have two cones from there. We have the small cone and the big cone. The big cone, let me say the big cone and the small cone here. This is what we must know. So you have a big cone which is ACB. So it's ACB. The small cone is AYX. AYX. So that means the big cone, let me just sketch it here, as this. Let me just do this. So the big cone has 12 centimeters and it has height. Now remember, from here to here we don't know the height. So we don't know from there to there, but this is the height for the full cone, the big cone. So we can call this as x, right? Now when you call this x, remember it's the same as AE. So part of it there, we call it. So if we call that x, remember DE we have, it's 15. So the total height of the big cone is actually 15 plus x. While for the small cone, the radius is EX, which is 4 centimeter there. It's 4 centimeter. While the height is just from AE there, which is x. So now we know that for us to find the value of x, we need to use ratios or similar figures. So we'll say, since this is the radius and this is the radius and that's the height and that's the height, we'll say the height for the bigger one, which is 15 plus x, is in the same ratio as the radius, as the height for the small cone, which is x. This is the same as they are in the same ratio as the radius, which is 12 centimeter, and the 4 centimeter. So when you start with a big height, you maintain everything to start with big. I know that a ratio in mathematics, it means division. So we know that we have 15 plus x over x equal to 12 centimeters over what? 4. Now we can continue. This is 15 plus x over x equal to, this we can reduce. This will give us 3, right? Then this will give us 1, because we're dividing 4. Then we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have 1 times 15x, we have 15 plus x here equal to x times 3, we have 3x. When you collect the like terms, we are having 15 this side, 3x minus x, this one will go the other side there. So we have 15x equal to 2x over 2 over 2. Therefore x is equal to, that is 7.5 centimeters. Now x is the same as AE. So AE is 7.5 centimeters. That's how you find. And sometimes they may not ask you to find the AE, but it's the mandate that you know the height for the small cone, so that when it comes to subtraction, you are confident. Now, since we know the value of x, so the height for the bigger cone, it will be 15 plus 7.5. Or the height for the smaller cone, it will just be the same, 7.5 centimeters. So when you add 15 plus 7.5, here you are getting 22.5 centimeters as the height for the big. This is the height for the smaller. Now, how do you find the volume of XBCY? XBCY, which is just the frustum, this part. That's a volume. So to find this volume, we need to know the volume of the big cone. We also know the volume of the smaller cone. Then we subtract. So the volume of the frustum, it will be equal to volume of the bigger cone, which is 1/3 of pi r squared h, minus volume of the smaller cone, like that. That's the volume of the cone. The difference in these two will give you the volume of the frustum which they want. So this is 1/3. Remember, pi you've been given to be 3.142. Radius for this, remember, is 12. So that will be 12 squared times height is 22.5. Let's confirm. Radius is 12. That's true. So there, minus 1/3 times 3.142 times radius there, remember it was 4 squared, times height we have 7.5. Okay, then we can just say that's 12 squared is 144. 144 times 22.5, you get 3240. 3240 times 3.142, 142. You're getting that. Then you divide by 3. You are getting 3,393.36 centimeters cubed as the volume, minus you have 4 squared, which is 16 times 7.5, then times 3.142, then you're dividing that one by 3. You are getting 15,081.6. Therefore, the difference between the two will give us the volume of the frustum, minus 15,081.6 and that to just a minute. So that was a mistake. So you have 12,568 cubic centimeters. Then you find the difference between the two. That should give you something in there. So you are getting 3,267.68 cubic centimeters as the volume of the frustum which they wanted. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you are lacking in anything, if you want revisions for exams, especially for GCE, don't hesitate to contact me on 097 807 6090. I'll get back to you on WhatsApp and we can continue to talk from there. See you in the next video.